Thank you. Oh, thank you. What's going on, everybody? I'm just gonna head home from this here Canton. And like usual, I don't have anything planned. Oh, speed bump. Oh, yeah. How many people do you have in that car? 3, 4, 5? It's definitely not a 5-seater. But whatever. I like your boat. I like your boat too. You afraid of that little bump there, guy? Oh, what do I have to talk about? Ugh. Sunday adventures! Can I, for a moment, talk about Harley Riders? Not as a whole, but like some of the some of the Harley Riders around here really just do not appreciate sport bike riders. And I know it's not all of them, because like the one I just passed, like, gave me the peace sign. Like, that's cool, it's fine. But some of them, like, I have friends even around here who've talked to them, and they just like say they do not respect sport bike riders, and they won't give you like any recognition at all when you go by. And I'm not saying it's just like Harley Riders, it's just around here, the only people who haven't stuck their hand out for me are on Harleys. I do it for the trikes, I do it for any bike, like I really do. I try to anyway. Sometimes I'll come around a corner and like I'll be off in space, and like by the time I realize they're passing me, I'm like, oh crap, I forgot. I do my best anyway. But it's just really bad when like we're on a straightaway and I'm getting close to this guy on a Harley and I stick my hand out and I got the peace sign going and he like doesn't even look at me, or like he'll glance over and then right back in front. Do they not do it to like anybody? I don't know, but like I've seen some Harley riders. Okay, this is actually like something I noticed. I was riding behind a Harley rider one day and he stuck his hand out for another Harley that passed. I was like, all right, that's cool. He's doing the peace sign, I do that too, cool. Came by another Harley, did the same thing. Went by a, I think it was a supermoto. No peace sign, just completely ignored him. And like when he passed him, like shook his head no. I was like, are you serious? Like, he has 2 wheels just like you do. I also have a quick story from my military training when I was out, and I was talking to some guy, and he mentioned something about riding. I asked him when he rode, and he's like, oh, I got a Harley. I was like, that's cool. I have a sport bike. And immediately, he's like, mine's so much faster. Like, first of all, I didn't even say what bike I had. I said I have a sport bike. And I can guarantee your Harley is not faster than the average sport bike. And when he said what it was, I completely forgot. But I ended up looking it up, and it's not that fast. It's really not. It's like some mid-level Harley. Not really that expensive, not super big, not a large engine either. That bad. But this guy just immediately, mine's so much faster. Like, what? Like, as soon as he said that, I just lost all respect for him, and I just, like, really couldn't even carry on the conversation. I was like, I didn't even say what bike I had yet. He's like, no, man, you drive a sport bike. Harleys are the only real bikes. No, not really. And if you have a Harley, like, completely no disrespect to you at all, unless you're like this, and which, of course, it's you, it's not the bike. The bike's cool, man. I love Harleys. I would probably never own one, although there's a few that are pretty cool that I wouldn't mind having. What you doing there, guy? But it's just, like, not my type of bike, you know? But I love seeing them, especially, like, when people deck them out in cool stuff, custom paint, all that. Man, those are awesome. I love them. But if you're gonna, like, hate on every other type of bike, then what's wrong with you, man? And that goes for people on sport bikes. I've seen some stuff like this on sport bike forums where people are like, yeah, everyone on a Harley just sucks. I hate all of them. And you're the problem too. Like, what's your problem? They have a Harley. They have a different bike than you, man. Get over yourself. We're all on 2 wheels. Respect everything on 2 wheels. And trikes, man. Gotta love those trikes. Because a lot of them are just people that are too old to be on 2 wheels, or like disabled war vets, man. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm not hating on no disabled war vets. If you want to get on 2 wheels but you can't, so you get a trike, man, all power to you. Respect all that, man, all of it. I'm behind this pink Cadillac, that Mary Kay Cadillac, and I saw it the other day, and it's like an old guy that drives it. I don't know if he's just driving his wife's car or his daughter's car or what, but it's just some old dude with white hair driving a pink Cadillac around. Ballin'! Baller status. In other news, I have a big bug bite on my leg, and it itches a lot, and it's like really big. It looks like it's swollen, probably because I keep scratching it. TMI, danger, TMI. Oh, look at that Porsche. Ooh. That's all I got, really. I know that was probably short. I mean, I don't know, to me it feels short, but that was probably like another 10-minute long video again of me ranting. Also, thank you guys for the 200 subscribers. I also have over 25,000 views. That's awesome. And I know it's nothing big, like I don't get anything for it, but it's just cool to see like I have that many subscribers, and recently I've been getting about one a day, which I mean, that's not like major growth. Oh, that's sweet. But it's just cool. It's cool to see yourself making progress, even if it's not much. I love it when you guys comment. And there's sometimes I'll go back and see a comment I missed because YouTube didn't tell me about it. And definitely, I apologize for that. But if I see it, I try to at least like it and respond if I can. Same for my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, man, what is you doing? Follow me on that Instagram, boy. I also just made a Twitter just so I could own all my names. So I have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.com/ridewithdanger. So I now own all those domain names, whatever they're called. Well, that's all I got, guys. So thanks again for watching. And for anyone who's stuck to the end, I'll give you my personal Snapchat. I'm gonna put it up on the screen if you want to follow me. I do some funny stuff every now and then, but I don't know. I like to just post pictures of my bike because I'm a lame guy like that. You know how it be. Veggies for sale! Alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. And always remember, eat your broccoli. Just kidding. I hate broccoli. Thank you. Oh, thank you.